Creating a flashing 3D text effect in CapCut can be done in a few ways, and let's start creating it. Add a default text to your timeline, and don't forget to add a video. As a sample, I used a drone shot. Just simply drag it into your timeline. And rename it according to your needs. Now choose a text effect. You may use either a pro version or a free version. Depending on your preference, you may modify the text to make it more attractive, or you can follow my style. I use this effect because it looks 3D and metallic. Now duplicate the text by holding Alt plus left click and drag it above. Right click and select Compound Clip. Go to the Adjustments section, click on Curve, select the bottom pointer, and drag it all the way to the top. Let's add a mask. Go to the Video section and click on Mask. Click on Add Mask and select Rectangle. Now adjust it according to your needs. Increase feather up to 40 or higher. Now move it to where it starts. Once the mask tool is dragged onto the text, the flashing effect will appear. I will now adjust it according to my needs. Go back to the timeline, select the duplicated text, and combine it into a compound clip. Next, go to the Effects panel. Search for Dreamy Glow and add it to the timeline. You may adjust the density of the effect. I will lower it down to under 50%. To add a keyframe to our text, first ensure that you select the duplicate text layer. Then, enable the keyframe by clicking the small blue dot next to the mask settings. Make sure the playhead is positioned at the beginning of the text. Now drag the playhead to the ending of the clip. And enable the keyframe. Now drag the mask from the left to the right portion of the text. Next, select the keyframe from your timeline and add easing to make it smoother. Also add ease in at the beginning of your keyframe. And here you go. It's done and easy. Subscribe for more.